Hello everyone and welcome back. We are here live again in Atascosa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I'm Xander and today Faith and I want to show you guys the Balance. Now the Balance is a really nice fitting home with 3 beds, 2 baths and 1368 square footage. And as always, Faith should be inside. So let us, without further ado, see if she'll let us in. Okay, no answer. She ought to be in there. Let's see. What's she up to?
Oh my gosh, hi!
Oh, hey, Faith. What you got there?
I was just starting to decorate for Christmas. Happy December 1st, by the way.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I'm so excited y'all are here. You know, I'll take a pause decorating and I'll just show you around this really awesome home. Yeah.
Awesome.
So behind me, you have your living space. You can have your dining room table just as it is now, or we could have a smaller one up against the wall. But I think that having this open space is really great. You could have a sectional, again, couches like this. You could have your TV up against this wall and couches over here. Really, this space is very easy to manipulate into exactly what you want. Over here in the kitchen, you do have this island, and if you can see, there's a little like indent here, so you could put some bar stools here to give you some extra space whenever people come, or extra seating, I should say, whenever people come to hang out with you at your home. There are lots of cabinets and storage here. You have these, you have up above. You have this really nice range right here, and I love this hood. I think it is amazing. Lots of space to store all those Thanksgiving leftovers we just had. And you have cabinets down here as well. And you have 3 drawers right here to store all those utensils, you know, Ziploc baggies, whatever you put in your drawers. Yes. So let's head over to the primary bedroom. What I love about this one is that there's this long hallway that brings you into your bedroom. It almost creates like a privacy from that really busy area to your bedroom. I think you can fit, this is a queen, you could probably fit a king with maybe some small side tables. And then you have, of course, your dresser. You could put some chests of drawers right here. You could put a bench at the end of your bed. Really, there is lots of room in here for you to add furniture, add some extra storage, whatever really fits y'all's needs. In here, we have the primary bed or bathroom. Sorry, you're not sleeping in here. We have a big walk-in closet. You have 2 places to hang your clothes. And I think it'd be really cool if you put a dresser or maybe like a cubicle with some bins just to really add something in here and also give you some more space. You have a double vanity, which I need my space. There's plenty of storage under here where you can fit some bins or maybe even shelves to store all of your things. And right here, you have this awesome walk-in shower. You can have this, or you can do a tub shower combo, whatever you feel like you need. If you want to soak in a tub or just stand for all of your showers, this is what we got. So now we're going to head to our secondary bedrooms.
If you are just joining our live, we are here at our lot in Southside San Antonio, right outside of Atascosa, Texas. We are inside the Balance. Now the specs of this home are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1368 square feet.
Perfect. So here is our first secondary bedroom. Very nice, perfect for a double bed, twin, desk, dresser combo, whatever you need in here. This can also be an extra office space. It can be really anything that you want your room to be. What I love about these secondary bedrooms is they have very large closets. Like you can actually walk in here, which I think is great. You have your shelving up here. Again, places to hang, lots of storage on the floor. perfect for this size bedroom. Now here is our secondary bathroom. It comes with a tub shower combo. Plenty of space underneath the sink as well. Very good size for these 2 bedrooms right over here. Now what's cool about this house is you have this really unique flex space. I mean, it's right between both of your bedrooms. So if you have 2 kids in here, they can meet in the middle and play. Or if you have, 2 teenagers who want to work out and hang out together, they can work out in here in your home gym. So really, it's a really good meeting place right in the middle of these 2 bedrooms. If you look over here, you have your washer dryer hookup along with your back door where you can, again, build your patio and hang out with your family outside, maybe tan, who knows, whatever you want to do out there. And then in here is our second bedroom. Again, very good size, twin size, double bed, little dresser, side table over here, maybe a desk. Again, make this place your home. We're not here to tell you what to do with it. It's your home. Oh, look what we have here. Oh my gosh, what does it say? 24 days till Christmas. Y'all better start shopping.
Wow.
Well,
Elf on the Shelf, huh? What should we name it?
ooh, should we name it Braustin?
Braustin? What about Buddy?
Ooh, I like that too. That's one of my favorite movies, Buddy the Elf. Yeah, why don't y'all let us know what we should name him? Braustin, Buddy? Let us know down in the comments so we can, next time we see him, we have a name for him. Again, here's your closet. Obviously, Braustin or Buddy loves this closet if he's hanging out by it, you know. Lots of shelves, places to hang. I think it's perfect. Well, I think that concludes our tour of the balance. If you want to see more homes like this, join us next time. And thank y'all for joining us. Bye, y'all.